Welcome to Bukit Timah. Later, result.
Located in the center-west of Singapore is our very own tropical rainforest with high temperature and rainfall all year round. With an official height of 164 meters or 538 feet, the Bukit Timah Nature Reserve still have an amazing diversity of species like fig trees, rattans, palms, lianas, vines, and epiphytes. Over 80 types fern species could be found here. Let's go! As you can see, the Tropical Nature Reserve has 5 layers, which namely are the immersion layer, canopy layer, understory layer, shrub layer, and the undergrowth layer. The immersion layer, which is the topmost layer, has trees growing from 30 meter to 15 meter tall, with crowns appearing above the canopy layer to reach out for sunlight. These trees have tall, straight, and thick trunks. The canopy layer has trees which reaches the height of 15 meter to 30 meter. They form a canopy with their wide, shallow, and umbrella-shaped crowns. This prevents sunlight from penetrating into the lower layers of the forest. Where we are walking here is the understory layer. It is so much cooler in here. Why is this so? This is because not much sunlight can penetrate through the canopy layer. Trees grow where gaps in the canopy allow sunlight to pass through. They have heights ranging from 6 meters to 15 meters. Young trees of the canopy layer are also found in this layer. The shrub layer have tree saplings and woody plants. They may grow up to 6 meters high. While lastly, the undergrowth layer made up of grasses, ferns, mosses, and fungi. Plants are very sparse here because of the lack of sunlight. These plants can only reach a maximum height of 5 meters. In the canopy and the understory layer, we can find lianas and epiphytes. Epiphytes are plants that grow on and use trees for physical support without killing them. The rainwater and decaying leaves collected provides the epiphytes with water and nutrients. Examples of epiphytes are ferns and orchids. Ferns can be of various sizes. They grow best in moist and shady conditions because it's ideal for the germination of their spores. Also, epiphytic ferns such as the stag's horn fern and the bird nest fern are also to be found here in their natural habitat. As you can see, this is a bird nest fern. Lianas are thick woody vines which can grow up to 90 meters high. They are found both in the canopy and understory layer. They wind around tree trunks to reach for sunlight. They act as bridges for animals and insects to travel. Both epiphytes and lianas are very good plants because they do not harm their host trees. However, strangling figs are very bad plants because they murder their host trees. Trees beware. Strangling figs are found in the canopy and understory layers. It wraps itself around the host tree and competes with the host tree for sunlight, root space, and nutrients. Leaves found on the forest floor, also known as leaf litter, decomposes quickly and forms a layer of humus which are rich in nutrients and supports the growth of plants in the rainforest. Leaves found here are evergreens. What are evergreens? They are leaves which remain green all year round. The trees do not shed their leaves at the same time of the year. The leaves are also large and broad to maximize their surface area for photosynthesis. The leaves have waxy surfaces and they have drip tips. This helps to drain off rainwater easily so that growth of bacteria can be minimized. Flowers and fruits are colorful and sweet-smelling to attract insects for pollination. Fruits are produced throughout the year because of the high temperature and rainfall. Fig trees are edible and relies on animals to disperse its seeds. Trees and shrubs flower intermittently in tropical rainforests, but only the keen-eyed will always find some colorful blooms, though not necessarily at ground level. We didn't find any during our trip, but an example of a flower in the tropical rainforest is the orchid. Green fruits growing in abundance on the trunks and branches of certain trees are in fact figs. Fig trees have many surprising characteristics. The fig fruit is actually a tiny bouquet of flowers turned inside out such that the reproductive structures are enclosed in the fruit-like protective case. It was too hard to find any fruits in the tropical rainforest, but we saw two. Trees have thin and smooth barks because there is no need for protection against cold and dry conditions. As very little sunlight passes through the canopy layer, trees adapt by having branches on the top one-third portion of its trunk. Roots of trees are shallow and spread widely as they do not need to reach deep into the soil for water and nutrients. This is due to the fact that nutrients are supplied by the decomposed leaf litter, and tropical rainforests experience high rainfall all year round. Some tall trees have buttressed roots which are thick and spread out widely to support the great weights of the trees. We hope that this video has taught you more about tropical rainforests. Rainforests are home to many living things, therefore it is important for us to preserve them. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.